You ever look up at the sky and think, wow, nature really nailed the whole blue gradient thing today? But seriously, why is the sky blue? Nope, not because it reflects the ocean. That's like saying your dog is wet because your neighbor took a shower. Nice try though. Here's the real deal. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually a full-on color rave. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The whole squad, just smashed together, pretending to be basic. Now imagine that light crashing into Earth's atmosphere. Boom, air molecules everywhere, just vibing. And blue light? It's got short wavelengths, small, scrappy, high energy. Basically the chihuahua of the spectrum. So when sunlight hits the atmosphere, blue light gets scattered like crazy. Left, right, all over the place. It's full parkour mode. No helmet, no rules. And since it's bouncing in every direction, that's what we see. A blue sky. Thanks, physics. But wait, you ask, isn't violet even shorter than blue? Yep. Violet's the overachiever of the rainbow. Problem is, our eyes don't really vibe with it. We're just not that into violet. Also, some of it gets filtered out by the atmosphere, like the bouncer at a rainbow club. So blue wins, as usual, like Beyonce at literally anything. Okay, but what about sunsets? That's when sunlight has to go the long way. More atmosphere to travel through, more chaos. By the time it reaches you, all the blue and violet light has already pieced out. What's left? Red and orange, just strutting in like, you're welcome. That's why sunsets look like nature's way of showing off. Fire emojis in the sky. And here's a fun twist. On Mars, the sky's not blue at all. It's kind of reddish, thanks to all that dust floating around. So if you move to Mars, expect every day to look like it's stuck in a vintage Instagram filter, with no Wi-Fi and no coffee shops. So yeah, the sky is blue because of something called Rayleigh scattering. Sounds like a British detective, but nope. It's just sunlight getting slapped around by air molecules. Now go impress someone, or just stare up at the sky, nod wisely, and whisper, because of chihuahuas. You're welcome.